Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a great story and great lesson. Let's start. The King Queen. Once upon a time, there lived in Egypt a tribe called the children of Israel. The king of Egypt, the cruel Pharaoh, hated the children of Israel. He treated them like slaves. One day he told his ministers, "Kill all the newly born boys of the children of Israel." The soldiers of Pharaoh barged into the houses of the children of Israel. They searched the rooms. They killed all the little boys they found. Mothers and fathers and sisters cried, but the soldiers had no mercy. There was a little house in the city. In it lived Imran with his wife Yaqabid and their daughter Maryam. A little boy had just been born there. They call him Musa or Moses alayhi salam. They were very afraid that the soldiers might come and find him. Yukabid could not sleep at night. She was scared that Musa alayhi salam might cry and the soldiers must hear him cry. She did not know what to do. She prayed to Allah for help. Allah advised her, "Take a chest, put your baby in the chest, take the chest to the bank of the river, let the waves carry it to safety." Musa alayhi salam's mother put the little Musa in a chest. Then, together with Miriam, she took the chest to the river. There they put the chest in the water. The waves immediately carried it away. Musa's mother salam, was very worried. So she told Miriam to walk along the river and see what happened to the baby. Soon the waves brought the chest with the baby next to a beautiful garden. It was the garden of the queen. The queen was the wife of the cruel Pharaoh, but she was not at all like her husband. She was good and kind hearted. The queen was walking in the garden. Suddenly she saw a chest floating in the river. She told her maids, "Go and fetch the chest." The maids ran into the water and brought the chest. They put it in front of the queen. The queen looked into the chest, and what did she see? There was a beautiful baby sleeping in the chest. She said, "It is a beautiful boy. I will take him to the palace and look after him." And she said to her maids, "Find a nurse for the baby." Miriam saw everything. She ran to the queen and said, "I know a good woman. She stays nearby. She will be a good nurse for the baby." And she brought her mother to be Musa's nurse in the palace. Allah restored Musa alayhi salam to his mother. He looked after him and made him a prophet. Allah is the best guide and protector. The story teaches us that we should not be kind and gentle towards others. The story teaches us that we should be kind and gentle towards others. Thank you.